How much money will my workers' compensation case pay me for pain and suffering? Good morning, everybody. My name is Jim Aspel. I'm a board-certified workers' compensation attorney here in Farmington, Connecticut. We get asked that question a lot, and there's a lot of misunderstanding about that. A workers' compensation case does not pay you for any pain and suffering that you may incur as a result of a work-related injury. Unlike a car accident case or a slip and fall case or some sort of personal injury action, a workers' compensation claim is a statutory benefit. By that, I mean that it's going to provide you benefits in accordance with a statutory scheme. Here in Connecticut, the Workers' Compensation Act, which is the statute that provides coverage for work-related injuries, tells us that you are going to receive compensation for your medical bills, for your lost time, whether or not you're totally disabled or partially disabled, and you're going to receive compensation for any permanent partial disability benefit or permanent partial injury that you sustain. So in other words, if your doctor gives you a permanency rating to a scheduled body part, then you are going to receive compensation for that under the Workers' Compensation Act. The Compensation Act does not provide for pain and suffering. So in other words, simply because you incurred pain or you had a tremendous amount of inconvenience or discomfort associated with your work-related injury, while those things are all quite possibly true, that's not something that the Workers' Compensation Act is unfortunately going to reimburse you for. So when people talk about what their case is worth, sometimes they're surprised that the number when the lawyers are talking about a settlement for their workers' compensation case is lower than what one of their acquaintances might have gotten for a car accident case. There's a big difference. There are a lot of damages that you can recover from a jury in a car accident case that you are not eligible to recover in a workers' compensation case. So for that reason, in most instances, the amount that you're able to recover is generally going to be lower. So the short answer is no, you're not going to be able to recover for pain and suffering in a Connecticut workers' compensation case. You get the statutory benefit. Your lawyer is going to work to maximize that number and get you the maximum possible compensation that you can. There are things that can be done to increase that number, and I urge you to consult with a workers' compensation professional so that you get the best result in your particular situation. Hope that helps. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. We're in Farmington, 860-523-8783. You can email us, jfaspel@aspellaw.com. You can visit our website, www.aspellaw.com. There's a lot of good information there. We do have a Facebook group, Ask a Connecticut Workers' Compensation Attorney. You're more than welcome to post a question there, and we'll get back to you. And if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. If you found the video helpful and would like to learn more about various Connecticut workers' compensation topics, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. We do drop these from time to time, and I'm happy to answer any workers' compensation questions that you have. Thanks. Have a good day.